Hello students, welcome to the session of Heron's formula, exercise 12.2 continuation. Fourth problem, a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the side of the triangle are 26 cm, 28 cm and 30 cm and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 cm, find the height of a parallelogram. Here sides of a triangle values are given, that is actually 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter. First mention the given sides of a triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So easily we have to calculate the semi-perimeter and area of a triangle. What is the semi-perimeter formula? That is S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So what is our A value? 26 plus 28 plus 30 divided by 2. Add the values. What is the answer actually? 84 divided by 2. So S is equal to 42 centimeter. So S value we calculated. Then easily we have to calculate the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. Area of a triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Apply the values. What is our S value? 42 into 42 minus A value 26, 42 minus B value 28, 42 minus C value 30. Apply the square root also. So subtract the values. 42 into 42 minus 26, what is the value? That is 16. 42 minus 28, 14 into 42 minus 30, that is 12. Square root of, split the value 42 as 14 into 3, 16, 4 into 4. Next use the same value 14 because already we are having on 14 now. So the next value, final value 12 is 4 into 3. Now we have 2 14. So 14 into 14, 14 square. 3 into 3, 3 square. 4 into 4, 4 square. And split the value 4 as 2 into 2, 2 square. So all the values are square values only now. So easily we have to take the value from the square root. So what is the value? 14 into 3 into 4 into 2. So multiply the value, we get the value 336 centimeter square. This is actually area of a triangle. But what is given in the question? Since it is given that a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base. That is also mentioned now. Have the same base and the same area. So now we just equate the area of a triangle and area of a parallelogram. So just now we calculated area of a triangle is 336. Apply the value. What is the formula for area of a parallelogram? That is base into height. Base value is given now, that is 28. We don't know the height value. We have to calculate the height value. So h is equal to 336 divided by 28. We just cancel this value. We get the answer 12. So height is equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, height of a parallelogram is equal to 12 centimeter. That's all. Next problem. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Actually one field is given, that field is in the shape of rhombus. The side of a rhombus is mentioned, that is 30 meter. So we just calculate the value, all the sides of the rhombus value is 30 meter. Another one is given, the longer diagonal value is 48 meter also mentioned. Finally we have to calculate here what is mentioned, 18 cows to graze the field. Actually how much area of grass field will each cow be getting, that is our question. First we calculate the area of the particular triangle ABC. What is given? Let ABCD be the rhombus shaped field, that is given. No, first you take a triangle ABC only. In triangle ABC we just take the A value is 30 meter, B value is 30 meter and the C value is 48 meter. Using this value we calculate the area of a triangle. So what is the semi perimeter formula? That is S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 30 plus 30 plus 48 divided by 2, that is 108 by 2. No, so what is the S value? 54 meter. So we calculate the S value. Next we calculate the area of a triangle ABC, actually using Heron's formula. So what is the formula? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Apply the values. 54 into 54 minus 30 into 54 minus 30 into 54 minus 48. So subtract the value. 54 into, what is the 54 minus 30 value? 24. Again we get the value 24. The final value is actually 54 minus 48, 6. Now split the value, because that is our comfortable only. We have 24 into 24, 24 square. So taking out of the square root the value 24. Next value 54 into 6 only. So we just split the value. 3 into 3 into 9. 9 6 are 54 into 3 into 3 9. So 6 into 6 only. So easily we have to take the value 3 and 6. So what is the value? You just multiply the value. We get the value 432 meters square. Since the diagonal AC divides the rhombus into two congruent triangles of equal area. So already we calculated area of triangle ABC. No, that is 432. Take the value next triangle ACD also 432 meters square. Total area of a rhombus ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So 432 plus 432, the total area is actually 864 meters square. What is the next value given? Number of cows to graze is given. No, that is 18. What is our final question? How much area of grass field will each cow be getting? That is our question. So hence area of grass field that each cow will be get for grazing is equal to 864 by 18. We just cancel this value. We get the value 48 meters square. That's all. Sixth problem. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors, each price measuring 20 cm, 50 cm and 50 cm. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? That is our question. Actually one umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloths, but two different colors are mentioned. What is the sides of the triangle given? 20 cm, 50 cm and 50 cm. First mention the given. The sides of each triangular piece are 20 cm, 50 cm and 50 cm. So easily we have to calculate the semi perimeter. That is S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 20 plus 50 plus 50 divided by 2. What is the answer? 120 by 2, no, that is 60 centimeter. S value is 60 centimeter. Next, we calculate the area of a triangular piece using Heron's formula. What is the area of a triangle? That is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S value is 60. So 60 minus 20 into 60 minus 50 into again 60 minus 50. Subtract the values. 60 into 40 into 10 into 10. Now split the value actually. This is 60, no, so 6 into 10. Another one is 40. So 4 into 10. Another one value is 10 into 10. So how can we write the value? 6 into 10 into 10 into 2 into 2. Actually we have one 10 square value, no, so taking out of the square root that value 10. So again we have one 10, another one 2. So 20 into 10, 200 root 6 centimeter square. This is the area of one triangular piece. What is given? Number of triangular pieces for same color is 5. That is mentioned, no. Number of triangular pieces for same color is equal to 5. Therefore, area of required cloth for each color is equal to 5 into 200 root 6. So that is 1000 root 6 centimeter square. So area of required cloth for each color is 1000 root 6 centimeter square. That's all.